Now we will start with the revision of maths by sample paper. Now in the last class, general introduction about the paper I have given. In the paper, we have part A, part B, that is section 1, section 2. And after that, total questions are 36. Now, when we have to start the paper, first of all, you make up your mind from where you have to start. But always try to solve from the last question. That is, last question means that is 36, 35, 34. From there, if you are starting, the students, they are able to finish the paper. But when you know, suppose you don't know the 36 question, no need to leave the space for the question. You move to 35. If you don't know the 35, you can move to the 34. So have a practice of doing questions like that. The strategies, planning, that depends on you. But what my experience says that if maximum students, they are doing from the last and they are able to finish the paper properly and correctly. Some now objectives. 15 minutes you are getting for the revision, reading of the paper. What you can do? You can do the questions of objective type in that period. In that period means read the questions, how to plan yourself, which question you have to do first, and according to that you do in the paper. Reading of the paper, that is case study. Case study questions are there. So you can go through the case studies during this 15 minutes. That will benefit. Instead of reading the paper, full paper, from question number 1 to 36, if you are reading the all questions and then you are planning which question you have to do, it takes the time to solve the paper. So best way is that give a time reading section. That is, if I say that is case study questions are there, you go to the case studies and keep what you have to do in the case studies question. So that is a very important thing. Or the long questions, that is 4 marks to 5 marks question you can do here. That is also a right way to. So now we will start with the question number 36. Now, if I say question number 36, question number 36 is what? A motorboat covers a motorboat covers a distance of 16 kilometer upstream, 16 kilometer upstream, and 24 kilometer downstream, in 6 hours. In 6 hours. In the same time, it covers a distance of 12 kilometer upstream, and 36 kilometer downstream. Find the speed of the boat, find the speed of the boat in still water and that of stream. Now this question, see the way I have written, that is without margin by, you have to practice that. Here the margin is there. Try to write like this. Question number 36. No need to copy down in the exam, but what the way you have to do in exam, that is question number 36. You can write solution. This is the way to do in the exam. Question number 36, solution. Now read the question properly. A motor boat covers a distance of 16 km upstream and 24 km downstream in 6 hours. In the same time, it covers a distance of 12 km upstream, 36 km downstream. Find the speed of the boat in still water and that of the stream. Here you have to remember that what you have to find out: the speed of the boat in still water and that of the stream. Two things you have to find out. So what you will be doing? You will write like this: let the speed of the boat in still water be x kilometer per hour. Always have a practice of writing the speed of the boat first. Now sometimes this question can be changed. Find the speed of the stream and that of the boat. Some student, they make the mistake. So please always have a practice of writing. Let the speed of the boat in still water be x kilometer per hour. The speed of the boat. What is that is affected when the boat is moving upward and downward? The speed of the boat is affected. So always practice that. Write like this: let the speed of the boat in still water be x kilometer per hour. Let the speed of the stream be y kilometer per hour. After that, write speed of the boat during downstream. That is, boat speed is first, then y, x plus y kilometer per hour. Next, speed of the boat during upstream stream, that is x minus y kilometer per hour. Now after writing this, according to problem ATP, what you have to write? Distance 16 km upstream. So distance is this speed. Speed is what? X minus y plus 24 km downstream. X plus y time is 6. Next, again 12 km upstream. 12 km upstream, so upstream time x minus y plus, that is 36 upon x plus y equal to 6 hours. So this you have to remember that 16 upon x minus y plus 24 upon x plus y equal to 6, and 12 upon x minus y plus 36 upon x plus y equal to 6. This is the first condition. Now you have to take the equations. So whenever the good downstream upstream question comes, you remember that how to write, that is very important. After this, now you have to solve. So this question is of 5 marks. So first thing is this. So what you will write? Let 1 upon x plus x minus y equal to a. You have to remember that here x minus y is written first. So you will write this like this. Let 1 upon x plus y equal to b. Now, so equation will be 16a plus 24b equal to 6. This is first equation. Here 12a plus 36b equal to 6. Second equation. Now after that you can write in the simplest form, or you can equate. Yes, 2 you can take common. That is, or you have to equate. So what you will say, sir, we can multiply. You can equate in the coefficient of a, or you can equate the coefficient of b, or sometimes you take that common also. Some students say like this: 2 8a plus 12b equal to 6. So 8a plus 12b equal to 3. First equation. You can say this also. This is now 2 common. Again 6a plus 18b equal to 6. That is 6a plus 18b equal to 3. That is second equation. Some student write like this, or some student write like this. So no matter how you are writing, but mainly the equation should be correct. Now you have to solve these two equations. So I want to equate it by the coefficient of a. So what I will say, multiplying. I will write like this: multiplying equation 1 by 6. So what I will get? 48a plus 72b equal to 18. This is your third equation. And here multiplying equation 2 by, that is 8. So you will get 8 6 48 again, 48a plus 144b equal to 24. That is fourth equation. Now after this 48 and 48 can be considered. You will write subtracting equation 4 from 3. So what you will say? That is minus and minus. So this cancel. 72b minus, that is minus 72b equal to minus 6. This cancel. So b equal to 1 upon 6. 1 upon 12. 1 upon 12. So b is correct. Once the b is correct, you have to find out a. So what you will do? Put the value of b in equation number 1 or 2. So you will say equation number 1 is what? That is 6a equation number 1 6a plus 12b equal to 3. This is your first equation. So what you will write? Putting the value of b, 6a plus 12 is 8a. So 8a. Now b is 12 equal to 3. This cancel. 6a equal to 3a. 3. 6a equal to 3 minus 1. 6a equal to 2. A equal to 1 by 3. A equal to 1 by 3 is the value of A. Now, after this A, what is there? Now, yes, the mistake, this is equation number 1. Now, what we have done? Putting the value of A, well, putting the value of B in equation number 1. That is putting the value of B, putting the value of B in equation 1. So here you are getting A. Now, what you have assumed here, A 1 upon x minus y equal to A, 1 upon x plus y equal to B. So 1 upon x minus y equal to 1 by 4. So x minus y equal to 4. This is equation number 5. This is equation number 5. Here 1 upon x plus y equal to 1 by 12. X plus y equal to 12. Equation number 6. Now solve again solving. So x minus y equal to 4. Equation number 5. X plus y equal to 12. That is 6. Plus y minus y cancelled. Adding equation 5 and 6. We get 2x equal to 16. X equal to 8. Putting the value of x, putting the value of x, putting the value of x, putting the value of x in equation 5. So you will get 8 minus y equal to 4. So minus y equal to 4 minus 8. minus y equal to minus 4 is cancelled, y equal to 4. So this is the way. After that you can write speed of the boat 8 kilometer per hour, speed of the stream, that is 4 kilometer per hour. This is, you have to remember that the way you have to do. So in the question, first of all, the starting of the question, getting equation 1 and 2 correct, you will get marks. After that, you are changing that by taking, by solving, that is method of solving is what, equating the coefficient. So you will be getting the value of A and B, you will get marks for the correct value of A and correct value of B. Now, the mistake I have made in that equation, because we have no space, you are doing the question, do properly, that is very important. Equation number 1 is what, 8a plus, that is, you can say 12b equal to 3. That was the first equation. And when we are putting the value of b, I have made the mistake in writing 8a, after that 8a, b I have written 6a. And that is, now 6a is not there. So that type of mistake the student do in the exam. So please see that while writing this question proper, that is, do properly this question is very important. Have a practice. Sometimes what is that given in the question? Find the speed of the stream and the speed of the boat. They write like this: speed of the stream and the speed of the boat. Here the question is what? Find the speed of the boat and the speed of the stream. So you have written x, speed of the boat dx and speed of the stream dy. But once, if you are learning this method, some students learn the method and they make the mistake, because in the exam, what is the given? Find the speed of the stream and the speed of the boat. If you are writing speed of the stream first, x, and speed of the boat y, then the whole situation changes. So that is a very important thing you have to remember, that while writing, write properly. Second thing, in first condition, what is given? Upstream distance and downstream distance is given. In second condition, what they can give is downstream distance first they give and then they give the upstream. So the student make the mistake there. So please remember that while doing the question, read the question properly, and after that you do the question. So this completes the first question of this sample paper, and thank you.